Today we're trying out the SilverCrest Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. We picked this up for $19.99 from the middle of Lidl. So this looks like a handy little gadget that's suitable for wet and dry spills and can hold up to 400 mils of dust or dry things and up to 150 mils of anything wet. Says has a powerful Li-ion battery, a washable filter system, has a wet suction nozzle and a crevice nozzle. They can be stored on the charger as a space saver. Includes dust filter and charging base. The charger is suitable for wall mounting and has the fixings included. It's a bagless and removable dust container. It says it takes about 5 hours to charge up and then runs for about 22 minutes. So we'll test that out. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual and the 3-year warranty. This is the parts and maintenance guide, and it tells you basically how to use the mini hoover. The hoover itself is nice and light and looks quite smart. The handle has a nice grip. You've got the release catch for taking the dust container off, and inside there you've got the filter cartridge, so you can clean and empty it quite easily. You've got the on-off switch here, and you've got the LED that's red when it needs charging or green when it has charge. You can use this for wet or dry spills. It comes with 2 nozzles, a wet and a dry. They simply fit into the end for easy use. The power cable just fits into the base, and this is quite a good length cable. We also have the wall mounting unit and the screws to mount it, and you can fit the power cable into this so that when you sit the hoover onto it, it will plug in and charge while it's on the wall. So this is just out of the box. It seems like it has a little charge in it, but we're going to give it a full charge before we try it out. So we're now fully charged up, and we're going to try it out on some general household spills using both dry and wet spills. Let's see how it goes. So there we have it, that's the SilverCrest Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This is handy to have around the house for those little jobs like hoovering the stairs, down the back of the sofa, and is ideal for hoovering the car out. And I've done a few of those little jobs today, and on that full charge it lasted for about 18 minutes. I like the fact that you can clean up wet spills with it, but if you use it for wet things, you'll need to let the filter dry out before you use it for anything dry. So we're going to add this to our Middle of Lidl playlist, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.